You have probably heard the phrase, you are what you eat.
But this is not only true for us, it is also true for our cells.
Leukemic cells, they don't just grow fast, they change how the nutrients are consumed, taking what they need in excess and releasing metabolic waste products. This transforms their environment, the bone marrow microenvironment, where the immunocells are formed.
Imagine trying to run a marathon with the raw minerals and polluted water. That's what immunocells are feeling next to the leukemic cells.
In my research, I studied how leukemic cells control the flow of nutrients using a molecular gate called transporters. By understanding which nutrients are taken away and which waste products are accumulating, we hope to find new ways to restore the immunocell's function. Because sometimes it is not about making the immunocells stronger, it is about fixing the environment so they can fight.